Hey everybody, today we're going to go over one of the greatest inventions of all time, dry shampoo. So if you watched my first video, how to wash your hair like a professional, I mentioned using dry shampoo to extend the life of your style in between washing and give yourself a couple more days. It also helps, you can use it right after you've washed your hair to add texture and volume in your hair, especially if you have finer hair. And also if you want to wear it in any kind of, up style, ponytail, bun, anything like that. Dry shampoo helps give that texture sometimes that if our hair is too, shiny and slippery, it won't stay. We'll get started with the Amika Perk Up Dry Shampoo. If you've tried any of the Amika products, you know that everything they make pretty much smells fabulous. One thing I love about this is that it's basically it's translucent. So you can have dark hair, light hair, red hair, and if you apply it correctly, it will not look white on your hair. And it's really good. It gives volume without causing too much of that dry shampoo feeling. With certain brands, it almost feels a little too texture, a little too grit, and some people don't like that. So if you're one of those people, I would suggest trying the Perk Up Dry Shampoo by Amika. So next I want to talk about the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. There are lots of people who are big fans of this one. I like it as well, although I feel like it's a little light for me. For the most part, I feel like it's pretty translucent also, but still be careful, when you're applying it. It may look a little whitish at first, but I feel like if you blend it in, rub it in, brush it through and everything like you're supposed to, that it dissipates and you don't have that white powdery look. But again, kind of like the Amika Perk Up shampoo, this one gives you volume, definitely gives you that cleaner, less oily without being heavy or too much of the dry shampoo feeling. So it's a really good one. It also smells great too. Okay, so next I want to talk about the Alterna Bamboo Cleanse Extend. This is the one I'm currently using and it's one of my favorites. It's a sugar lemon fragrance, but they make several fragrances, and I like this one because it kind of does have that dry shampoo feeling. I prefer mine to definitely have a lot of texture and give me that extra volume that I'm looking for, and really help when I want to wear my hair up. If you're like me and you prefer it to be like that, then I definitely suggest that you try this one out. Alright, so next I want to talk about Kuhn's Blend Refreshing Balm. So this is actually going to be great for anyone with short hair. If you have like a cute little short pixie or a little, fun bob. This is actually like a balm. It's kind of like this powdery balm texture. So it works like a dry shampoo and absorbs the oil, but gives like a real light powdery texture so that your shorter hairstyles don't get like really weighed down, and it kind of gives that pieciness that your shorter styles want. So I would highly suggest it if you have shorter hair and maybe dry shampoos haven't worked out for you in the past, or just try something different. So one last salon brand I want to bring up, another one by Amika. This is called the Phantom Hydrating Shampoo Foam. To me, this is going to lean towards being more like a conditioning foam. So if you, again, have coarse, curly, drier hair texture, this is going to be a really great product for you to try. And it is a foam, like a mousse instead of a spray. So you squirt it into your hand, rub it together, rub it into those roots and throughout your hair. It says let it dry, but I suggest using your blow dryer on like the low setting and blow dry it until it's all worked in. And it does a really good job. Your hair will actually feel like you've cleaned it. It doesn't just mask it. It feels like it's cleaned it. The only thing for me is when I try it on my hair, since it's not, that drier, coarser texture, I felt like it still kind of weighed my hair down and didn't give me as much volume as I usually get out the dry shampoo sprays. So this one is great for all the curly hair girls out there, especially if you work out. It's a really good option to use after workout. and again, smells fabulous. So the Amika Phantom Dry Shampoo Hydrating Foam. Definitely give it a try. So now I'd like to talk about a drugstore brand. All of the ones I previously mentioned are a salon brand, but Batiste is my favorite drugstore brand. You can literally find it just about anywhere. So what I love about Batiste is they make a couple for different colored hair. So if you've used dry shampoo, you know that some of them can be a little whitish, and you have to be careful if you have basically any other hair color than blonde. So Batiste makes like a medium brown and a dark brown, I think like a golden blonde and maybe a red. But I love that about them, so that if you have different colored hair, you can use those and you don't have to worry about it looking white. Batiste can have the dry shampoo feeling that some don't like, but they have made a lighter version that they call Bare. So if you don't like that dry shampoo feeling, they have a lot of you now, and they make the lighter version. So give that one a try in this brand and see what you think. Okay, so now that we've gone through these brands, I just want to do a really quick demo of how to apply dry shampoo, the sprays especially. This is my favorite, so I'm going to use this one. You always want to shake up your cans really well to make sure they disperse evenly, and you don't want to hold it too close to your head. That's going to really make it look white, even if it's not supposed to look white. So you want to hold it about like 6 inches away, kind of like hairspray, you know, and apply it, you know, section your hair and apply it everywhere that you feel like you need it, and that's going to help either absorb that oil and grease or help add volume to your hair. So just gonna start here where my hair was already parted, and then take a section here, make sure I get my hairline good. Then I like to come back and grab this top section, make sure I'm getting my crown area really good, so I can have that nice volume that I like. You can literally apply it, you know, all the way through to your hairline, or just the top area if you feel like that's where you need it the most. If you're gonna wear your hair up, I definitely suggest, you know, hit that here so that gets nice. You don't want it to look oily back there either if you're gonna wear it up. And then you just want to like let it set for a few minutes so that it can absorb the oil. I like to just kind of like rub it in, make sure it's worked in really good. And then after it's set a few minutes, you know, you can brush it through a little bit too. Usually I feel like if once you let it set and rub it, it's usually doing its job pretty well. Also, you can, like I said, you can use it for in-between washes, but you can use it right after washing your hair as well, just to go ahead and add extra volume and extra texture to your hair for your hairstyle. And in between, you don't have to do it right before you fix it. You can actually do it the night before, right before you go to bed. And that also helps it, like while you're sleeping, really settle in there and absorb that oil. So in the morning, you're pretty much already ready to go, and you can just style it and get out the door. So I hope that you guys have learned from this video. I hope the review of these products will help you make a decision for your hair. If you're still unsure, I would definitely suggest that you talk to your hairstylist and see what they think is best for your hair type and texture. Also, if you have a different brand, because there's hundreds out there that you like and love that I didn't talk about today, I would love for you to tell me in the comments. Tell me the brand, what you love about it, and then our other subscribers, they can see it too, and that will help them be able to make a choice. So I hope this video really helps you guys out. Please subscribe, give me a like, and leave me a comment below, and I hope you all have a blessed day.